Hey, hi. So in this video, we're going to look at this app and I'm going to take you for the installation. We're going to look at this app. This app, they say, it can really clean your phone sound. Okay, maybe your phone actually fell in water or maybe it has dust. Maybe your phone voice kind of changed. Okay, so you can kind of use this app to clean that volume. The app says it uses kind of advanced sound waves and vibrations to eliminate the liquid and the sound, okay, in your phone speakers so that they can really sound more better. So we're going to really see how you can use this app and what's the experience of other people who have used the app. So during the setup, you have to select the language that you want to use. Let me select English and you can click the next or the tick, which is actually the top right. So let me click that. Okay, I quickly remove water and dust, blah, blah, blah. So you can click on next. I feel this is an advert. Let me just cross it. Okay, use auto adjust. Okay, next. Almost every step there's an ad that you're going to actually see. So this is something that you have to be kind of patient, I think, to go through. Let me try to see how I can actually skip this. Okay. So after going through the the setup process, next, then you will be presented with an interface like this. It's a simple interface. They have menu cleaner, vibrate cleaner, blower. Then here they set maximum volume for better results. I would recommend you set it to the maximum. Okay. Make sure also on your phone the volume is actually maximum. Before you do any function, try to have your phone lying down, like place it down. No more, speakers have to be, no more your screen up, then you get the phone down. Okay, so your phone has to be down. So don't do this when your phone actually, maybe you're holding your phone, like, the screen is looking down. So you just place the phone or maybe on a table. Yeah, that is it. So there's a manual cleaner, there's a vibrate cleaner and blower. What I'll recommend you is to go through all the process for better options. Though you can start with a manual cleaner. Let me click on that. Mostly you will be introduced with an ad. This app actually has lots of ads, so you kind of have to suffer with the ads. Okay, so let me try to skip this. Okay. All right, so let's cross this. Okay. So under menu cleaner, you have the front and the ear. Okay, select type. Under front, you can just do like, if I was you, I can just try to leave it in the middle, then you start cleaning. Okay, if you don't see the difference, you can put it maximum. Actually, just put it to maximum. Okay, select type, then the here, there, then you kind of click on start cleaning, then run 2 to 3 minutes with different frequency levels to get desired results. So yeah, so let me first stop this. Okay, you can try the ear, then you put it to maximum, the front, put it to maximum. Then let me go back. The back is usually going to give you still another ad. All right. So we're going to also look at the reviews of what other people actually went through, and this app actually has some really good reviews. Let's try to cross this. Oh my gosh, it's kind of very crazy. So let's first wait for that. So when you read through the reviews, my phone fell in water and sound from my speaker changed completely. So I didn't know what to do. There are apps to clean speakers. There are so many, but I choose this. There's so many actually kind of good reviews about these guys, and I think you should really try it out. Okay. So let me see. The other thing which is a problem is there are lots of ads. Okay. So let me go back. Then there is vibrate cleaner. So under vibrate cleaner, you're going to do like, what I recommend you is just go with a strong, then you click on start. most cases you'll be introduced to an ad also here. So almost actually everything that you're going to do here is an ad. Let me go back. Even actually the back has an ad. This is too much, guys. Okay, so that is it. So when you go through the reviews, some people, of course, they are not all good. This one says it's horrible. That's obsessed with ads. Yeah, there's something which actually I've seen. Like there are so many ads that you may really fail. Every button that you have to click on is an ad. Okay. I really didn't have an operator. My speakers were gone, sounding cracked and unpleasant. At first, I tried to vibrate it, but it didn't work. So I tried high frequency option and it worked like a charm. So, yep. So let me try to go. Okay, so let's try to cross this. All right, this is so many ads, actually, guys. This is so many ads. This is one of the bad reviews about this app. Okay. So try to have this at full, okay? Most people actually leave this at default. By default, it will be like at minimum. So try to make this at full. Try to do the vibrate cleaner. Try to do the menu, and try to also to go to the blower. Okay, blower is like more like it's blowing out the dust and all that stuff. Medium, there's low, medium, and high. I think. Okay, you can try to just use start. Okay. Then boost. You can keep on trying to boost, depending on how. Then high, this is the maximum. Depending on the situation of your phone, you can try to see as it is on your phone, how your phone is actually responding. So let me just stop this. Okay. So generally, that's what you should actually expect when you use the speaker cleaner. There are so many apps there, but this is one of the apps that really have a lot of good reviews. And let me know if what was the experience of using speaker cleaner, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.